Mike, the apartment was like flaming out.
Hi, bro.
I was telling him we ended up grabbing an FD ladder and helping people out.
Very good.
Yeah.
Burning apartment, there's 3 ladies in the back balcony. One of them, my friend, can't even get down.
Who?
On the burning apartment in the back, there's 3 ladies on the balcony. They can't get down.
What? Huh? I got 3 on the back and the second floor that can't get down, they said.
Oh, you can see them?
Yeah, they're this apartment right here, they're on that back. They said they can't get down.
Yeah.
Can I help you with that?
Yeah,
All right,
Let's go. Hey, get this. Wait, get this. Let's go. Go to the back.
No,
Get
there's 3 on the
these
back.
ladies here. Move. To the right. Right here.
Yeah, make sure you got solid footing.
Can you hold it?
Yep.
Come on. Come on. Put here. There you go. And then come on down right with me. Come on down, please.
Alright, you guys do the exact same thing.
Wayne, what do you need to say?
All right, dear. Come on forward.
Hey guys, I'm gonna get away from the building.
Yeah, when you
You bring fire?
Here you go. Come on back.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
And then we'll come get her real quick. You got it. Good job. Good job.
You're good. All right.
Come on, take it higher.
These I don't care. Throw that down and let's go. Come on. Here, come on down this way. Hey, just watch. All the way down. Let's go. Come on down. Hey, face it. Face the ladder. Face the ladder.
Mira la escalera. Mira la escalera. No mira la abajo.
Okay. Keep coming down. Keep coming down.
This is the apartment right here.
That's the one that's on fire.
All right. Oh, we're going to the next one.
Nope.
Watch it. Watch it.
Hey, they're out of there. Everybody should be out. Everybody's out. Yep.